All right, we have number 19. Graphing, which is used in the manufacture of integrated circuits, is so thin that a sheet weighing 1 ounce can cover up to 7 football fields. Right? If a football field had an area approximately 1 1/3 acres, about how many acres could 48 ounces of graphene cover? Okay, so we know that 1 ounce can cover 7 football fields. Wow. Okay, so that's the ratio there. If a football field has an area this much, 1 1/3 acre, how many acre would 48 ounces cover? Okay, so we know if 1 ounce covers 7 football field and each one is that many acres. Okay, let's solve for the total area that 1 ounce can cover. Right, so it's 7 football fields. So let's just go and solve it in terms of acres. Okay, so we can do 7 times 1/3, 7 times 1 and 1/3. Okay, that should be, we could just type in the calculator. Okay, so 1/3 is like 1.3 repeating, and then that times 7. You should get 9.3 repeating, but let me just leave it as 9.33. Okay, because this one we can approximate a little bit. Okay, so let's just say that's 9.33. Okay, so 9.33 acres. This represents how many acres that 1 ounce can cover. Okay, so this is 9.33 acres for 1 ounce. Okay, and the question asks us how many will 48 ounces cover. So we know it's 9.33 acre for 1 ounce, and we don't know how many acres 48 cover. We can just multiply by 48. Okay, or you can also set up a proportion, say 9.33 acres is for 1 ounce, right? And then we want to know how much will 48 ounces cover. So we say that's right. That should be X, right? X acres over 48 ounces. Okay. So on the top represent the number of acres, on the bottom represent number of ounces, and they line up on both sides. Okay. And to solve for X, we do cross multiply. So pretty much we get 1X, which is X, equal to 9.33 times 48, which is about 447.8. And that the closest answer, okay, is approximately 450. Okay, the closest answer should be 450, which is letter C for question 19 here.